Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to resolve if your mouse cursor changes will not stay permanent on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by opening up the search menu, type in Control Panel. Best match, come back with Control Panel. Go ahead and open that up. Set your view by to large icons, and then you'll select Mouse. And now select the Pointers tab. Whatever modifications you're looking to make to the mouse settings that you were doing before. And this time you're going to select the option that says Save As once you're done. And you'll where it says Save this cursor theme as. Name it whatever you want in here. So you can type in Customized Theme, and you could do the date, for example. And you would select OK. And then you would select OK again. And then that should save it at this point. If you went back underneath the mouse settings in here and the Pointers tab, you should see your customized theme listed in here. So pretty straightforward. You could always delete it as well by just selecting it and then the delete button and then select yes, and that's pretty much it. So as always, thank you guys for watching this brief tutorial. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.